Raappavuorenreuna, probably Raappavuorenreuna in Swedish, building 4 stickers here in Martinlaakso, modernized. Länsi Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, here in Helsinki, and Sports region, Uusimaa, Finland. Occupies these 3 persons, autonomous programs. It with MV 6 fixtures and occupied light, and also fast.
Yeah.
So this is great that they made quite a lot of staircases here that are faster.
Yeah.
Even though they're on like 6 or 7 floors.
Yeah.
But we still have one building that is similar to this, but with an impossible code, and then also 8 other staircases between them.
Yeah.
No, it's actually slower, but still amazing. It sounded like it was faster.
Yeah.
It's built in 1971, probably early 1971, turned 50 years old this year in 2021. Serial number is 25174, and it will be inspected in next year, 2022. Let's try it. Let's go back to the first floor. I like the sounds here.
Yeah, same here. This är sånt som skötte ju Martin lukko.
Yeah. The lukko said it would be locked, but it's not.
Yeah.
Luckily it's not.
Yeah. Dit paikki vai meidän paikka on for totally.
Yeah, so yes, fortunately for Martinlaakso this is great.
Yeah.
Or more than style. It's how it should be.
Yeah.
It looks like that, but the newer number you see underneath there's like an older number.
Ah, yeah.
There's the newer one. But they repainted it. When they repainted it.
Yeah.
Maybe sometime in the 1990s.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. Thank you very much.